Honorable Kennedy Japan ne platform ne so. Womo amayati asie say there are two ways via Osofo Nigel wodi enya nkrofo ho information ekatro mo e wa asore ho ema nkrofo ehu ne say oh Osofo we de we hu me ho asem aka. That's what Kennedy Japan is saying. Obi so free e wo show ne so ema ne kansem no. I just want us to discuss this in someone say one more edit etu no, but won asemo ya meka and say Ghana has say, and by this I am not saying say ebia asemo Kennedy Japan can entirely true, because obviously it is Kennedy Japan who is saying media maka, so we can say nobody prove bad. That's the only time I believe what the person is saying. Yes, Kennedy Japan or then no can. So far as we've not seen proof there, I can't tell you, but or I can't say ne crese 100% dito. But nini name we will have to talk about it, because even if enya Osofo Nigel Gezi yes ade ne krana, there are some pastors in the world, and there are some pastors in Ghana has say ya womo yes ade no. Even if enya Nigel Gezi krana, you can't tell me say there are no pastors who don't do these things. And so I want us to talk about this. There are two things. The first one no Kennedy Japan show a picture of a lady B. Some fair lady, very fine. Now, what's your friend and na koshio said, and that's what Kennedy Japan said. Now, what's a lady, no, why you know, say, were receptionist, why you know, say, were secretary. Now, Obia would name Ghana has a in soft penufoni nano mostly, and ya now more receptionist and now secretary. Into Obasa over her soft na, naturally say, or mobile beside basic things via Sebe, over to me, I a car trauma. Na dear Kennedy Japan can and say we a new person now we ra Nigel Gezi sorry dear lady no what ye and say wo be sheda ebisa wo nsem muntie ne ye wo be sheda ebisa wo say oh your friend was saying and the saying and a wo free hin and a we the saying and I say Emma wo be Texas and sending na ama Nigel Gezi. That is what Kennedy Japan is saying. So lady ni bisa basic information onya basic information na we be text in Yamano. You not see say the lady is writing. Ube who say one no edin komo keke. And actress say wo ko hu Nigel Gezi ntino. Woni lady ni na be kasa. So ube ye ansa na be kwa ko hu Nigel Gezi no. Ube say lady no but text ade na fast ama Nigel Gezi. That is what Kennedy Japan is saying. It ube kwa ko do Nigel Gezi ho say woni no edin komo no na lady na text information ama no, because you didn't see the lady writing. Or you didn't see say Nigel Gezi was where the lady is nintino. You have no idea. Once you say sorry na waba. So you have no idea say lady na text you information about Nigel Gezi. To do Nigel Gezi ho na no so ayem ne ho say Nyankopon yi atre me say ye frɛ say and ye wote ha and you believe him. Into edu ho na strategy Kennedy Japan so wo use no say wo mu de ehu eto so. Obe say Osofo pese wo di usika wo de ehu eto so. Say. Now, someone, madam, for be what yes or for what I can and say, what say prophets are the most dangerous people when it comes to Nyankopon Asem. Because what they do, and they say, they take you from the known to the unknown. And this is a trick. Once Osofono has been able to tell you some things about yourself, Nintino, you understand and know, say, what's off way there, and you will be family. That is the psychology. Now so ebia na wo din pe no anymore. And these things are things that insofobia kra wo moye. Insofobia mpo de wo mo de ne say eye draw say psychology no mu use o. Mo de ne say they will not even let their secretary even ask you questions. Udu ne ho na wo be hu udin ana wo ma me din bi aka atrel. People do those things. Udu ne nchen ya wo be hu wo ma me udin o boy bi din ubi bi din na waka atrel ote ha waka wo se ane afei he has taken you from the known. He's about to take you to the unknown. Iti afei someone any mu kan wo de be kan na esan se we din kan atrel wo se ye fra wo maami se ye fra wo boy say ama waji atum ninti afei ensem a enyansi ye no kan still you believe it. Na so we bia na sa nyama no hu ye be san se wo pese wo di ehu eto wo so edi wo sika ninti personally, me obia, I tell people say the way people want religion to be and then Yankopon the one yes here will be kun and the one I tell people say me I don't subscribe to that. I am a Christian, but those things I never subscribe to him. Omeka and then Yankopon there, oh yes here and no be kun, oh yes here, Yankobe Ayana me woman love for no more cancer than Ayana a because the God I know, He's forgiving. As far as Oban Yankopon from me born a chamber, what the betchel, He's loving. It is uncle for not in a car, no bika, and the oye Yankopon see obe kunway, Yankopon see or number kunway, Ayana, Mrs. Adiana, na me jalai. It's yana me ja. It's a mekwa sophobia sorry, now one more chances of one more shen come, not just a woman de debia and yama bonne in qua. Ayana me say, ah, dang. Every asimukra dang. It is a madam for that make us or your sophono. And ya will call all night. And ya will be friend say young come say Charlie media men call. Because meaning say me kwa by all means makes it a summa sembi in Sambonibi. Menka say the enyan tro. Menka say enyan tro but and ya ko say a year someone a bounce off on any sono. And your way yo and your bay for say yo. Into the first mode I don't want to divert, but the first mode that can Japan air tre say Nigeria would the young crofon in a yitre at the tro mono uyo bana okone hwa sa one in the receptionist and the secretary knows a day and omoya sa de no odi ehun to so say ni say fasikabra fasebra na menyama and a lot of ladies have come out to say indeed Nigeria ajo musika say wajo musika say a lot of ladies have come out. I've told you say me personally Wobika at the bonnet FOB one. I need to see it before I believe it because you're saying me dim pain. Ya can and some in just end the crowd to me so inti and no Emma Miss Yans say not just say be say obidia and I can't in some bonnet for be one a bit to me and say yes any pacuni intino and my me far decision be said yes say obidia and was say the evidence bands I may believe it. But the American Council and say yes, say evidence ni nyambae. Not a lot of people eba bonting with the same story. Say ya no dey, me say ya no dey. Say obviously me nipa me hu ni say not to say ebia the possibility say the cre say we this answer na why yes ade na very high. Because say one person pen e cattle so normal. But imagine like 5-6 different ladies from different backgrounds. And these ladies have all spoken on Nigeria. Lady Bia was in the cancer and some and also sa Nigeria up and down sa Lady B also sa was you fear brochure by sign one fancy camera 27,000 just say insane bebre. And this is not looking good for Prophet Nigeria. As an aside any base in the crano, even Miss Bell will not crano just say sa and also be kind. It's as a Nigeria in Angasana meaning. And he has also said, say, well, his weakness is women. It just will not cry, like, as a imba, I don't know, I don't understand, I don't even know. Obi ko boy Tracy Boachi din, say Tracy Boachi, Nigeria in another. And Tracy Boachi ababonti abe responding. Now, if your response at Tracy Boachi de buy now, will be better to me at Nasi say, Tracy Boachi is not denying. Because it will be anyway, I did not say, Ebia, enye ne kra. Ope babonti we bi enye ne kra we de, but Tracy Boachi wo babonti asem wo be kan say masa, eyo no aneba. So we say, wo be man Nigeria are, no Tracy Boachi no. Sebi, obi enim say won ware ye. Na wo no ase wo be man Nigeria are, obi si obe man obi are no, na we filia efa hwan ho, eyo no anade. Eni obi ade yo no anade no se ode be ma no. So you see that response Tracy Boachi e de bae no, amount microphone so ehun ne say Tracy Boachi is even confirming say ne kre wono kra won Nigeria aye bibi. So that is the first way Kennedy Japan can say that's the first way Nigeria odi hu microphone hu nyama e tremba a say wodi dio musika. The second way and also will be an afraid into the show e kan e say what say Nigeria what the camera abona sorry car park meaning say na sorry car park and about baby in sorry the cars na ebe park no what the camera abo ho into what in the officer say new car be eba wo hu number plate no into wo the whole bar sorry wo say one thing is say answer na sorry cry and answer na sofo beba no na normally junior pastors no na wo moka congregation ne she saa time no bon say sofo no what in the office so wo bom payo so ye den wo prepare na waba in sofo be retire saa de no inti no saa time na wo wabetena se no na ye say wa trotro car numbers no ohun say ebia o car number fresh car na car ya wo de buy no car kese ana say ni say foreign car na wo be preach ya na afi wa sheda abo saa car number no wa truck car number na to na wa bo no wa ka say for $1,000 and $2,000 bra otherwise within this week nipa kwa ne car number say no nyankopon yi acha ne say enkrofo be kwa korobe na age car no enkrofo be bo ne tio na cheso mo age car no ana say ne car ne be hye osi ayem hihye osi na odisika na ko inti eno nso ye second person wo calling in wo ka check in the Japan say eno nso ne nsem na Gezi wo ye ana nyama wo ye no I have told you so far these things we don't have proof but asem there ba two ne kre either say ne kre ana say nya ne kre opesa going to eat more obo say yes we have something we call half truth but half truth is not truth it's still intro we dey for ho inti ye can main in sempan there two is either it is true or not. Montre mo adwen e wo comment box mo tie for me dance.